Hey Blade Riders! Today, we're showcasing some exclusive features that elevate your e-bike experience. Explore hidden attachment points for folding locks and bottle holders, available only on the Blade & Blade 2. Let's dive in. First, where security meets style. Just below the seat near the midsection, discover a sleek spot designed exclusively for your folding lock. Now, hydration without compromise. This bottle holder spot is particularly helpful, especially when you have a secondary battery mounted and there's no other available space. Mounting it just below the seat ensures you stay refreshed. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more e-bike content. Thanks for watching.